Today, we're going to look at Ethereum, and I'm going to go in great detail and explain to you what Ethereum is and what this coin is about and who's behind this coin and what is the function of these coins. I've made videos previously which you can watch. You can click on the link below in the description or above over here to give them a watch, where I explain to you what Binance is and how do you invest and how do you trade in it. Now, a lot of questions that people are asking me is an explanation of what each coin is. Now, Binance is a platform on which you can trade between coins. You can buy and sell coins. But what do these coins represent? Who are these coins? What companies are behind these coins? And what do these coins do? So this today and a couple of videos after this, I'm going to focus on the major coins such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, ADA, Ripple, Solana, Sandbox. There's so many. I'm going to pick the ones that I feel are the strongest and I feel that have a strong back. And I'm going to explain to you the company, the business, the organization behind this particular coin and how this coin functions, so you understand and have full information before you invest into any coin. And that is the most important things I've told you guys. When you create or do anything, make sure that you have full information about what you're doing. So if you're going to go into the cryptocurrency trading business, if you want to get yourself involved in the metaverse, if you want to get yourself involved with the development and the programming and the structure of this new industry that's coming to existence, you need to understand the dynamics and you need to understand who's in this industry in itself. So without further ado, let's start the review for Ethereum. Now, Ethereum is one of the major coins, and you can go on ethereum.org and you will get their website. Now, this website obviously is really, really good, and it gives you a full picture, a full breakdown about what Ethereum is. Ethereum is one of the major coins after Bitcoin. I am doing Ethereum as the first review, and then the next review I'm going to do is Bitcoin, because I feel Ethereum has a very, very strong future. Now, obviously, when you come to the Ethereum website, they say that welcome to Ethereum. Ethereum is a community-run technology powering the cryptocurrency Ether. ETH, that's the abbreviation. When you go on any trading app or website, you can find it by ETH, and thousands of decentralized application. Now, obviously, Ethereum is your portal to the world of Ethereum, and the tech is new and ever evolving. It helps to guide and here's what we recommend you do if you want to dive in. Obviously, you can pick a wallet, you can get Ethereum as a currency, you can use their dApps, you can start building. And Ethereum is a technology that is a home to digital money, global payments and application. The community is built on a booming digital economy, bold ways for creators to earn online, and so much more. It's open to everyone, wherever you are in the world. All you need is an internet. Now, this is something that you need to understand. This is the digital world. We're talking about the virtual existence, the third Web 3.0. Now, the Web 1.0, 2.0, now the 3.0 are three stages in which internet has evolved. The first one was where there was one-way communication. And basically, people back in the 1970s, 1960s, 1980s wouldn't understand the MS-DOS and the system in which it was run. There was no interactions. Now, with Web 2.0, you had a exchange of information, such as the windows that came to existence. There was an interface, there was information that you would give and you would receive. And it has evolved right now to this existence where we are today, where Web 2.0 is so interactive and so much information is being exchanged. Now we're moving from the Web 2.0 to the Web 3.0, where you are virtually, physically involved in the internet. And this is where cryptocurrency, or the crypto world, comes to existence. In the crypto world, and this is the beauty of it, is where certain currencies based on the blockchain methodology come into play. And Ethereum is one of the major players in this blockchain methodology. Any transaction that is done, anything that you buy, anything that you sell, anything that you create, anything that you do has a ID or has a serial number or has some sort of identification. And that identification is unique. That is something which is so unique that every single item, every single transaction, every single movement of money, of objects, of any sort of thing in the crypto world, in the metaverse, in the Web 3.0 can be traced. Every transaction can be traced. And this is the beauty of Ethereum. Ethereum provides that platform. It is an open source. Anyone and everyone can be involved, and that is why it is so powerful. And let me go down and explain to you. This does not only stop where you talk about a financial system where they say that today billions of people can't open bank accounts, others have their payments blocked. Ethereum is a decentralized finance system which never sleeps or discriminates. With just an internet connection, you can send, receive, borrow, earn, and even stream funds wherever in the world. And basically, you just need to have a wallet and you can do everything with Ethereum. Ethereum gives you that chance to actually get involved in a very open space. Now, obviously, one of the major things right now, as you can see over here, this is the latest Ethereum statistics, where right now it is being traded at 3,829. This is what one Ethereum is worth. The latest one Ethereum is actually worth 3,829, and 1.241 people have done transactions in the last 24 hours, and they have 2,249 nodes. And obviously, you can agree, there's an upgrade for Ethereum 2.0, which I'll talk about later on right now. Now, the major thing I want to talk about right now, which I want to explain to you guys, is which I want you guys to learn, is the fact that how does Ethereum actually work? And what the website does is it gives you a detailed description and information in this regard. You go to learn and you ask the simple question, what is Ethereum? And it gives you a understanding that Ethereum is the future, is the digital future. And everyone in banking is going to be using it, is peer-to-peer networks going to be using it, commerce guarantees, is censorship resistant, it is a private internet, meaning the Ethereum 1.0 is literally the world's programmable blockchain, right? It is the main coin against different coins are pitched. And if I want to explain to you, I can tell you the two main currencies right now in the world are what? The US dollars and the euro. Now, either it's pitched against the US dollars or it's pitched against euro. Now, obviously, Bitcoin, just think about it, is that is the US dollar that is so strong as the US dollar. And Ethereum is your euro. And obviously, as the European Union is so big, has so many economies and so many people export and get involved in it, and that currency is so strong. Similarly, Ethereum is the euro of the crypto world. And obviously, there are other coins like other currencies which are very strong. So now Ethereum is, in your mind, like euro. So Ethereum is moved, is exchanged, it's used as a transaction with so many other coins. So when Ethereum increases, the price of Ethereum increases, smaller coins or smaller currencies, if it's pitched against euro, also increase. And how does Ethereum actually work? Now, I mentioned at the start of this video that it's an open source. Open source literally means that anyone and everyone can involve wherever in the world they are. And Ethereum is a currency, it's a blockchain methodology, right, which is used for information to be exchanged, for information to be processed, for information to be programmed, for information to be analyzed, meaning that is the currency that is used. Now, I gave a previous example. I'm going to repeat it right now, and I want you guys to understand how this dynamic works. Now, obviously, when we go to the Web 3.0, there's so much information that is being developed, that's being processed, that's being computed. One supercomputer can't do it. And they break that information up into little segments, smaller segments, which are sort of given off to freelancers or outsourced to individuals that use their computing powers. So people around the world are working in a pool to commute that information. And when they commute that information, they're paid. And they're paid not in currencies such as euros and dollars, but are paid in Bitcoins and Ethereums. And then they use that finance, use that money, use that currency to develop to their own products, such as NFTs, such as dApps, such as multiverses, or they use that to trade on places like Binance. Now, obviously, how Ethereum works, and obviously you can go over here and check this out if you don't understand it. If you need any more examples, you can always message me on Facebook, on Instagram, or on YouTube, and I'll try to explain to you one-on-one so you understand the dynamics of it. Now, obviously, the breakdown or the abbreviation is ETH, and obviously there are wallets for Ethereum, and obviously there are Ethereum dApps as well, products and services that run on Ethereum. There are dApps for finance, for work, for social media, for gaming, more meets, and apps for our digital future. Now, this is something I want to explain to you guys, and this is very important. And a lot of students or a lot of teenagers who are watching these videos, just for one moment, imagine this, that you're playing FIFA, or you're playing Tekken, or you're playing any sort of PlayStation or Xbox game. And in that game, you're required to buy or upgrade your skin, or upgrade your team, or upgrade or buy any single player. What do? You use your credit card. You use your credit card to pay for certain services, certain goods in that game. Now imagine if that game actually had its own currency, and you had that currency. So you wouldn't need to get a credit card. You wouldn't need to ask your bank to transfer any amounts. You would have its own currency in hand, and you'll use that currency to pay for an upgrade. Now in the future, what's going to happen? FIFA is going to get Ethereum. Xbox is going to get Ethereum. PlayStation is going to get Ethereum. All the major games that we play are going to get Ethereum. Need for Speed is going to have Ethereum. And you will use your Ethereum to pay for new cars, for new upgrades, for new tires, for new skins, for new players, meaning you would use that currency inside that game. And that is how it's going to work in the future. Now, as I come back to the website, obviously you will get information about decentralized finance, where a financial system where moving money from one place to another can be used. NFTs, which are non-fungible tokens, which represent a unique item as an Ethereum asset that can be traded, used as proof of ownership, or created new opportunity for creators, are NFTs. You would have heard a lot of NFTs that are coming right now. And NFTs basically is a non-fungible token. And that literally means something which you own, which you've created, that exists in the multiverse or can be used in the multiverse, and that can be used in the crypto universe. Now, basically every single art, every single product, every single item that exists in our physical world, there will be an NFT for it. And companies such as Adidas or Nike or big companies all have already started creating NFTs of their products, and they own those NFTs. So when in the multiverse you want to have new Adidas shoes, your avatar needs to have new Adidas shoes, you will go to the multiverse, you'll go to Adidas in the multiverse, and you'll buy the NFTs for those Adidas shoes, and you'll wear Adidas shoes, your avatars would wear Adidas shoes. And that is how NFTs work. So basically you might not have a new Lamborghini in this world, in the physical world, but in the multiverse, in the virtual world, you would actually own a Lamborghini. And that will be the Lamborghini's NFT. So your avatar would have an NFT of a Lamborghini, and you would have a Lamborghini car, which your avatar would be driving. So I hope you understand the dynamics and where the world is going. If you need any more understanding of this concept, you can always message me on WhatsApp, and I'll try to explain to you one-on-one. Now, obviously, when you go below, there's so much information over here, and me going through each one of them is going to take hours and hours. So basically, when you go to learn, the first thing which I've done right now is giving you a breakdown of what Ethereum is. And now, the decentralized finance, which I spoke about right now, is a universe in itself. This is where you have MoneyGram, Western Union, different banks that use this methodology. You would have your decentralized autonomy organizations, you have your NFTs, you have your smart contracts, you have Ethereum security, history of Ethereum, Ethereum white paper, Ethereum 2.0. Ethereum 2.0 is the move from Ethereum 1 to Ethereum 2, where obviously it is being involved and is being developed because it's an open source. And right now, Ethereum 2.0 might come into existence in the next 2 to 3 years, where it is a even more structured system of buying and selling. So basically, the company or the business or the organization behind Ethereum is massive, meaning the amount of information they're commuting, the amount of data that's being run is actually super computers can't go through it. And that's why they outsource so much information. That's where you come in, where you mine different information, which is a subject for later on. And hopefully somewhere down the line in this series, I'm going to cover mining as well, but that is something for later on, not for now. I want all my viewers to understand, and everyone that's watching my videos videos one after the other are moving with me in this series actually have a clear understanding of what each concept is. Now, obviously there is Ethereum energy consumption, Ethereum improvement proposal, Ethereum guides and resources. Now, the developers obviously is developers home, documentation, tutorials, learn how to code, set up local environments. You can go through this and I'll help you through this as well. You have your mainnet Ethereum and your private Ethereum. You have your community as well, where you have online communities, Ethereum events. You can get involved. There are grants, Ethereum support, and community hubs. You have different languages as well that you can select from. So basically, if there's anyone from the Netherlands or from China or from Persia or from France or from German, I mean, you can select your language and actually go through the website. It's always also in Arabic and Bengali. There's all languages for you. So this is the amount of involvement of Ethereums tend to have. This is the future, guys. This is the future. Meaning people traded in Forex, now people will trade in crypto. People used money to buy goods and services. People will use cryptocurrency to buy goods and services. Whenever you got a product, you got a price that was international, a price that was local, then there'll be a price that will be crypto. There'll be prices in Bitcoins, there'll be prices in Ethereum. You will be able to buy goods and services using crypto. Right now is the time to understand this concept. Right now is the time to understand what Ethereum is, what Bitcoin is, what ADA is, what Solana is, what the sandbox is, what are different currencies and how do those currencies work and who is behind these coins and how does the system get involved. In my videos, I'm trying to make sure that you guys can actually understand how this system is and how it actually works. If you need any more explanation, please message me on WhatsApp or on Facebook or on YouTube, and I'll try to help you as much as I can. If you have not made your account on Binance, please make your account on Binance. You can click on the link below in the description to go to Binance and create an account so you understand the dynamics of actually trading on it. If you need help in regards to that, you can always message me. And please, if you have not shared this video on Facebook, share this video on Facebook so more people can benefit from it. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, take care. Allah Hafiz.